What's up? Welcome back to the channel. New subscribers, welcome. Today, I didn't do nothing special, but, well, not yet anyways. Today, what I got in store is I gotta fix this RSX exhaust. I picked up some beater wheels for the MR2. They're wide as shit. Need to stop cursing. Maybe I edit that out. But they were super wide. There's some wheels that came off another MR2. Had like 275 tires on the rear. There were 17s. I don't know if I want anything that big for when I run at the track, but for now, you know, I'll keep them as just rollers. They were super cheap wheels, so didn't want to pass them up, but I'll show you the wheels and then I get to welding up this exhaust. But here are the wheels. They don't look bad. This one have 275 40 17s. They came off of MR2. They're by 9 in the rears and by 8 in the front. They're all chipped up. The guy was gonna scrap them, so you know, one's man scrap metal is another man's treasure, I guess. Go ahead and throw them on there for now as rollers. I'll end up getting some wheels that I'm gonna use on the track and all that, but these are super good. The tires need to be replaced. Got some camber wear on it and all that, but for now, these are wheels that I could roll the car around on. I know I had to steal these, but some of them underneath that car and holding that car up, and the steelies rubbed on my coilovers. Not trying to do all that this time. Right now we're about to roll this car forward a bit, slide these under there and back this car up, and then get one of those exhausts welded on there. Doesn't sound bad without the exhaust, but not my thing. That's all I did. Slid the car forward and slid those there. I'm gonna back the car up on it. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna put that one back on there. That's the one that was on there. I'm gonna take that one and weld it on there. Put that one back. And I'll probably use a piece of this pipe and this mid pipe that was in another car to go on there. What happened is the exhaust broke off and the guy JB welded it. I don't know how the freak you do that. Cut this off. So now I'm going to clean this off and then tack on this end to it right there. Well, I'm gonna measure it underneath the car first, tack on this end to it, measure it again, and then cut it for the other side. My little light is dying, but here's the under the car piece. I'm gonna have to cut this and end up tacking the other piece to it somehow. Have to drop it down a bit and get those welds on top of it so I don't have an exhaust leak, but I could get that done. I got about an hour before The Walking Dead comes on, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. I must say that putting this exhaust on the RSX was an absolute fail. I will not show you the footage, nor will I show you the welds, nor will I show you underneath the car. I'm gonna just take it to like a muffler shop and have them put that muffler back on, because that was a complete fail. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and put the wheel on the MR2 on the rear. I'm gonna put the rear subframe back on and put the wheels back on and see how those look, because that might look better than these welds that I got on this muffler, because the angle was freaking stupid. I'll go to a muffler shop and have them weld this part back on the car under there, because that ain't gonna work. This homemade remedy thing I was trying to do not gonna work. Let me turn that welder off. Let me take the car off the stand and get out of here. Once again, that was absolutely horrible. Y'all will not get that footage. I mean, I didn't wear my mask, I just wore my goggles. Shit popped in my ear. Man, it was scary, bro. Shit popped in my ear, popped up, hit my head on the thing, and man, but what y'all will see a video of soon is me building a tuck harness, and y'all will see a step-by-step of how to do that on the K20, even how to delete this little distribution block right here, and I'll make it super clean. Gotta order some more heat shrink that'll fit this size right here. Some came in today, some is supposed to come in tomorrow, and then some clips supposed to come in tomorrow because this one was broke, so you'll get I'll get the clip tomorrow for that. Most of the heat shrink will be here tomorrow also. Not the heat shrink, the sleeving will be here tomorrow also, so I'll get footage for that. Here's the other subframe I had. Probably about to just wash it off with some soap and then throw it on the car. It's mine was in a little bit better shape because it was pressure washed and all that. It's all good though. All I really use to clean this up is some dish soap and some water and a brush. Y'all don't need all that fancy degreaser and all that crap, man. Stuff will come right out. Watch this. Just put it on there. Put a little elbow grease. Just put it on there, put a little elbow grease. Go back and forth a few times. Dish soap, man. I'm telling you, it works. All you do, you just spray that thing. Look at that. When you're done, just go back over it again. Pick my bolts up. So you just grab it. Just get all this right there. Get all that. Shit is layered, man. Get all this over here. All that. Right there. Grab that. Get all of that gunked up stuff over here. It'll come right out. Just the brush. That's all you need. Brush, dish soap, water, all of this. Dish soap will break all this down. I'm just gonna break all this down. All of that. That's right here. Now watch this. I'm telling you, your household products can work on your car too. Watch. Look at that. Come right out. Just little spots I gotta hit again, but go over it a few times, you'll be alright. But yeah, I ended up, like I said, y'all not gonna see those welds at all. The internet will not get the best of me today. But I ended up putting that cross member back on. Show you guys. Got the rear cross member on under there. That's a project I told y'all will see. Don't worry about that. But the surprise is, and the question is, should I run these wheels on the MR2? I know it don't seem like much, but they're super wide. They're 17 by 9, and it sits pretty well in there. 17 by 9 sits fairly well in there. I know I probably still have to roll the fenders, but these are a 17 by 9 with a 275. Yup, it tucks in there, don't poke out. I would share with y'all my offset, but I'm gonna keep it a secret. 17 by 9, and it tucks up in that fender well fairly nice. So let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna get these powder coated, man. These not gonna be no like drag racing wheels or any track wheels, anything like that. Might run them when I go to some meets or something. I get them powder coated black. You know, I just call it a day. I got these for dirt cheap. Got those wheels for dirt cheap. Once again, man, thank everybody for subscribing. Thank everybody for coming back watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, like, share, and subscribe. Check your boy out when I upload. I try to upload like 2-3 times a week. This week I was a little bit slow on the upload, so check me out next week. I'll come back with some regular uploads for you guys. Peace.